Currently single tracking on the southbound train line. And this train will be out of service at Dunwoody Center. Everyone must exit. Everyone must exit. If you need to continue south, there will be a door-filled train traveling southbound. That train will be directly behind this train. Everyone must exit this train. This train will be out of service. Alright, so I apologize for the short delay. And as a reminder, please check around your seating area for all your personal items before you exit this train. This train is out of service in Dunwoody Center. There will be a southbound train directly behind this train. After your departure, that train should be there in 1 minute. I'd like to apologize for the delay.
Do what? Okay.
MARTA customers. MARTA customers, the train is out of service in Dunwoody Center. The train is out of service. Everyone must exit. There will be a southbound train directly behind this train.
Station is Dunwoody Center. This is your transfer point to the Red and Gold Rail Lines. La siguiente estación es Dunwoody Center. Este es su punto de transbordo para las líneas roja y
Exit for Northfield.